Hey there gamers! In this video I'm going to show you how to get the Healing Rune in Gothic 1 Remake. Getting the Healing Rune is one of the most convenient ways to heal in the game. First things first, you need to be in the old camp. Stand in front of Thoris, then turn to your right and follow this linear path. Eventually you will find an NPC named Torres standing next to a well practicing magic. If you talk to him, he will offer to teach you magic in exchange for a parchment and 2 wolf claws. To obtain the wolf claws, you can interact with Mordrag and ask him to show you the goods near the south entrance. He sells a variety of items, but what we're looking for are the wolf claws. For the parchment, start from the entrance of the old camp and turn right, paying attention to the houses along that side. You'll eventually notice a house with a telescope on top. If you talk to Graham, who can usually be found hanging around the cauldron or inside the house, you can buy a parchment from him for 13 ore nuggets. Once you have the required materials, return to Torres to unlock magic for only 5 learning points. He will then give you the option to learn one of 2 spells for free as your starting magic spell, the Healing Rune or the Fire Rune. I recommend learning the Healing Rune since it is worth 543 ore nuggets if you don't learn it for free. If you choose the Fire Rune instead, you can still buy the Healing Rune from Torres separately, but keep in mind that it is extremely expensive at this point in the game. And that's how to get the Healing Rune in Gothic 1 Remake. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.